How to copy URL in Mac. URL is the web address of any website or page in the internet. This is the URL. In Twitter, this is the URL. In LinkedIn, this is the URL. In Facebook, this is the URL. To copy this, simply press Command plus C. Hold Command and then C. Another way, simply right click and here you can see copy. Now you can share it with anyone. In the same way, we can copy Twitter. Here right click, here you can see copy, right click and paste. Here as well, copy, paste. We can copy URL and paste, press space. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.